Do you want to convert raw CSV data into a structured Confluence table with advanced capabilities? In this video, see how the Advanced Tables CSV macro makes that possible in just a few steps. Open your Confluence page editor and insert the CSV macro using the macro shortcut or by finding it in the macro browser. The macro parameters are organized into tabs. In the Content tab, paste or type your CSV data directly. My CSV data lives in a page attachment, so I will go to the Source tab and enter the attachment name. The Structure and Data tab lets you configure delimiters, column types, heading rows, auto totals, and more. Under Sort and Filter, enable Show Sort icon so that when you click column headers to sort, it displays the sort icon to show the last column sorted and the sort direction. Enable Display Data Filter to let users filter rows by keyword. Under Style, enter comma-separated row styles to color your table rows. The first style always applies to the heading row. Enable AutoNumber to add a row number column. Finally, under Export, you have the Allowed Download and Export option, so users can download the table as a CSV file or export it as a page attachment. That is all. Save the macro and publish the page. Here's the result. Structured table with styled rows, sortable columns, and a live filter, all on your Confluence page. Try it today and convert your CSV data into Confluence tables with CSV macros advanced capabilities. Thanks for watching.